Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Best wishes from Puerto de la Cruz on Tenerife, from paradise. Cloudy morning here, beautifully warm, and we are expecting 24, maybe 5 degrees. This is special here these days. Mornings are cloudy and then afternoons are much better. We will see what will be today. El Niño is not perfectly happy about this excursion. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto de la Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. Let's greetings from Puerto and viva la música.